Hello, my beautiful people. This is your girl, Monique. The girl who brings you just the sweetest, the best vibes you can ever ask for in and around town, in the whole world. Yes, my people. Your girl don't come again, with another better gist. Remember, we dey na palace. We dey na palace for analyze, debunk anything wey e no correct. We dey talk am for here. We dey call black for this our palace. We dey call white for this very palace. So we dey debunk all thing, put am for table. And my people, if you dey watch me now, so you never subscribe to this YouTube channel, I don't know what you wait for. Subscribe to this YouTube channel and make this place your home. Then don't forget to always leave your better comments them for down here, so that all we go know how we go analyze this matter. Fine. Today, now about Gementable case, so that Gementable case make her overthink a lot. I no sleep all night. I start get small kind of thoughts them inside me. I say I must come pour her out for una today. Yes, my people, make we go. Gementable case dey so. It show say intimidation don't pass for back. If Gementable feel leave a message, one day later he come apologize, heavy apology. It should say there was an intimidation. Me and you no fit get a conversation behind. I go make a video. Even if you no like the video, you should you quiet. You no answer me. That means you get another aim or something, or you get plan where you plan them against me. I don't know. You should you quiet. You no answer. You no even tell me say, "Bo, the message then so I don't like them," and so on. You should don't quiet. Then later hours, Jemen can ask for apology. Where you should say Jemen be intimidated somewhere. Jemen be intimidated. I don't want to go deeply for Jemeni case. Some of you leave this Jemeni case one side so bad. And also there was an intimidation coming from somewhere. Finish. I say, my people, this Hazel Ayok or Gigime with Dope Siara, your problem. It really ache my head, my people. This thing really ache my head. I say my drink water. I say my sip na wine. No, I say me I'm gonna talk for na the morning time because the thing bite my belly. Wonderful. Hazel Ayok, I go start now with you. Now Hazel Ayok find the palaver. Make una the listen. I be a blogger. I define my popularity because normally Dope Siara define my popularity so. He find my audience. He define a way for gather people they make they can worship. If he be say if he be na Kobos he married and he talk them, it means say he gather na audience they make they can hear it he want talk that day. Now why did he post all that in them? Because people don't want for can know, or people don't want for can hear see the talk. Some people they hate Kobos and some people they like Kobos. No be na all man like you for the way. Your haters must be, even if you no do them, no nothing. True. So Dope Siara already know say people they want run for watch that particular video where they for the way they don't drop that message. You as a blogger, as a Ayok, you not be supposed to can leave a hate comment. Now I don't call a hate comment like a comment where they mock your fellow blogger for a comment session. That one are your fellow blogger and your colleague. You be supposed to go for back. You get a number. Righty. I say, mommy, why you dey so you the overheat on Kobos? Why you dey overheat on cobos? I don't like the way you overheat on cobos. Now your colleague that. See, me I'm not saying no. For inside the YouTube, will be very united than motivational speaker them. Motivational speaker they not be united the way we for YouTube will be united. So we therefore keep on with that kind of spirit. You are Yoke Hazel. You be supposed to don't go right Dope Sierra. Ask you say why and why. Or wait to make him. Make Dope Sierra respond for you. Dope Sierra no know Koboso. They ijo me talk Kobos now for social media. Remember, and a blogger where it is still find fame and popularity. Anyhow, where you want be. You get for no. So you dropping all the kind of comment them. You go write your own post for mock Dope Sierra. It call attention for respond for you negatively. My people, I hope so now you get my point. It call for your attention for respond to you negatively. Because you know feel the insult or mock me as she don't quiet. Although Dope Sierra take and go far, but as a Ayok, I don't lie you from this matter all round. Now you study palaver, now you study particular talk, now you study particular problem because Dope Sierra now a blogger like you. You two don't leave comments them about people. Before, if you try for change now, that means say it's fine for you. But some person now in now way you start leave your own comment them. Now you for call it advice because you don't try for change. You see the reason why you get for change. You sit it down for telling the reason why you get for change. I hope so you see my point. So you're not supposed to just leave hate speech them for call the attention. Okay, oh. And then a message we make her yesterday. Ayok Hazel, you make some video yesterday. That means the video it make me shed tears. We get for the love each other for this particular industry. No mean for tears. It don't make you any different from Dope Sierra. You going to leave that type of video yesterday. It don't make you any different from her. You the talk say Dope Sierra the worker insult people and so on. It no make you any different. You just show we say you no be different from this Dope Sierra because of the way you take a hit on her yesterday. Remember, Dope Sierra don't insult you some few days ago. You be just careful. Reply as a person when me and know am, what respect am for the blogging palaver. I really respect you for blogging issue. Come here and know say you be man for story. You know how to analyze fine. You be careful analyze the matter. Even you want one dopers or you want talk for dopers, you know be that kind of way. You compare it to dopers. But you want compare them. You already compare. You already try to compare. Why una compare weighty? As for Dope Sierra, has a Ayok insult you for comment section? You go mount your camera quickly because now you know how to block pass for insult even more. No be that so. If you know say as a Ayok don't always insult you, you be careful. Right as a Ayok that time. Call even sending a heavy voice message. May you say you don't vex. Tell him say you don't notice and say he don't insult you for a long time now and you don't like him. Make it understand that one. Say you no like him. Tell him say you no like him and if he continues so you go mount your camera for make a message about it. As a Ayok only leave a comment, you go mount camera. It shows say you don't hold this as a Ayok for your heart for a very long time. And you know one keep people down. You just find the slightest first opportunity for pin you for down, for insult you, for humiliate you, and for do something wey go hurt a heart. Because they like say as una come out for one group, maybe you don't talk harsh for you, you no like them. So you don't try to find any media who insult you. Wow, see that one like say the one I no call and say childishness on a weighty. Because it don't make sense with my eye. My people wanna look this particular thing so that they talk una now the analysis this what they give una. All una true. Una no ever that means say una no ever make sense with my eye. I dey look una with some one kind eye what I just share una so. So una get for meet each other. Una need serious apology to each other. Una need for talk to each other. May any man throw out him. May no go lead or extend to a beef where person go regret tomorrow. Remember, a beef they always leave a mark for person in heart inside social media. A beef they always leave a mark. Even though you and that person can be fine tomorrow, it go always avoid you because of that particular beef where you and you wanna get them. I rest my case, my people. Wait till you think. Wait till you think about the matter for Hazel Ayok. Ina Dope Sierra and Germaine Tebo. Una leave una honest comment. That's how I go take and leave una today. Una bye bye.